Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So if you try to install some app and you see this message unable to install name of your app you try to install, please try again later. So how you can fix this error? So for fixing it you just need to open the settings, and in the settings you need to find here general. In the general you need to find date and time, so just open it. So just check your date if it's correct and just try to set automatically turn on here, or you can manually install the correct time. After you do it, another thing you need to check is to go back. So just open here screen time, so just find here screen time. And in screen time you need to find content and privacy restriction, and just find here iTunes and App Store purchase, and just installing apps need to choose allow. So just check if you choose allow here, if not just choose allow. And the latest thing you need to check is to find in the settings privacy, so just find privacy. Just open the privacy and just turn on location services, just turn on here, and I hope that it will help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.